Okay, you guys, so I wanted to start this video, so don't be too surprised if the rest of this video, the lighting is different. But I have a couple of minutes break. Don't mind my diamond painting in the back. So this video is an unboxing of, well, I'm sure by the title you guys would have already known what this video is. It is a beaded cross stitch kit. Now, I'm really nervous to see what it looks like because it's not very heavy. I'm 99.9% sure it's only a partial, but I was getting super impatient with the one that I ordered from AliExpress, and I really wanted to get something in to see if this was something I was gonna like, because all of the kits that I personally like, because I'm looking for a full beaded kit that I can go up and down instead of like in rounds or weird crazy patterns, are running like $75 and more once you add in shipping, and a lot of them add in like customs fees. So I'm really nervous to see what this looks like. You'll have already seen the image on the thumbnail, but I believe this one was called something of the East. Fairy Tales of the East or something along those lines. Oh yeah, it's right here. So there's nothing in the package but this was on Prime. So I ordered this late Wednesday night, and today is Friday, and I have it in my hands already. So it is a peacock. I am not a huge peacock person, but this is a beautiful piece, and I can definitely give this away as a gift if and when. So yeah, it's called Fairy Tales of the East. It's very light. I'm pretty sure this is not on Aida, and probably on some kind of like silky fabric. It says Preciosa beads from the Czech Republic. And again, I'm still learning like all of the bead lingo, and I don't think that they are glass beads. I've honestly found like 1 or 2 listings that actually say glass beads. Oh no, I tore the box. You can't, okay. Is there tape? Oh yeah, there's tape on all 4 sides. So it's a little bent. It does say seed beads on the back. It's a little bent up, but that is, you know, packaging. Oh, these, okay. So there it is. And you can already tell that it is on that kind of really silky fabric. And this is printed in such a way that, from my understanding, I don't think we need to soak it in any way. So yeah, but I figured this is going to be a good piece for me to kind of start because it's not very wide. So I should be able to navigate my way through it pretty quickly, or not quickly, but easily. And then the bottom is basically all full beads up until somewhere, I'm not sure about this white piece, but at least this bottom like 1/4 of the canvas is full bead. So, and you know, that's what I wanted to get the experience with, because I do have another full beaded kit coming in from AliExpress, but who knows when the hell that's gonna get here. So when you open it, this is what you get. You get a note. This is how do you do. Thank you for purchasing. Apparently they have a shop on Etsy. Oh, okay, so it's from Beads Creative. So it looks like they do have an Etsy shop. So I will be checking that out. There's just a QR code on the back. And it just says, we hope you enjoy. And then here's the rest of it, and that's basically it. So, okay. Take a quick look at the beads. They're not glass beads, but they look very nice. Or maybe they are glass beads. They don't all look the same. Maybe they are. I can't quite tell, because these ones look like they have like that coating that the plastic ones have. But the rest of these look pretty good. So I'm gonna take them out and show you guys. These blue ones and these brown ones kind of look a little weird to me. I'm gonna take them out and look at them, but they don't have the same shine that the rest of them have. So we're definitely gonna be looking at those. There's a good amount in here though. Okay, boys and girls. So as previously stated, the rest of this video was going to continue on at night. So I'm off work now. So now I want to really spend some time going into the beads and everything else that came in the kit. So they do include a black and white chart, which is great. It's something, one of the reasons why I chose this, because personally I wouldn't buy one of these kits without some kind of chart like this. I prefer the color ones because I feel like it's just easier. But sometimes when you see these canvases, especially when they're printed on the Aida cloth, I feel like it can be really confusing trying to decipher what color that square is or what like symbol is in it. So I really wanted to make sure that there was at least some kind of chart included, and this one is a black and white chart. So this is the first page, the second page, and some kind of instructions. Let's see what this says. So it's written in Ukrainian, Russian, and English. So colored squares stitched down. I'm not gonna go through everything. Repeat steps 5 through 7. And then it has a little chart here that I will look through. So looks like it's telling you to do it a certain way. I don't understand why you would go. I can see, I don't know. I'm gonna try my best, you guys. Okay, don't come after me. Okay, so these are the symbols. They look relatively easy to read. You got some X's, like a star, a half circle, a half moon, half circle, full circle, diamonds, check mark, plus, square, asterisk, or you know, another type of star, rectangle, the opposite half moon. That can be confusing. That's gonna have to be really paid attention to on my part. And then the circle with the dot in it. And then let's get the chart is a little bit dirty, which it came off a little bit, but all right, that's what it looks like. It's pretty clear. You guys can see that? No, that made it worse. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty clear. So clearly the blank parts here are, you don't stitch there. So, okay. So I will be starting down here. This is where I will be starting, and I believe this is right side up. At least whoops, you're blurry. At least I hope it is. We'll find out right now. So I wanted to make sure. Fasten it. Yeah, you don't need to wash this or soak it because it has a pattern already. And then let's get to the canvas thing, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure what type of canvas this is. It just says color print on fabric. 20 by 42 centimeters. Yeah, it doesn't say. This, okay. So this is the whole thing. It's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is good because I really don't need another big project. So this is what it looks like. Let me look at this real quick. Yeah, so it's that paper's printed right side up according to, you know, the words. So I'm going to be going back and forth is what it looks like. And I'm trying to figure out, so you have to poke your own holes. That's another reason why I was kind of weary of getting this. I should have went with something really small, but I can never just get something small. So the only thing that I'm not sure about is, do I start on the black line or do I start at the dot? That is the only thing that I don't know. By the time this video goes up, I'll probably have already figured that out. So there's 15 colors. And let's get into the beads. Where's the opening? I really wanted to see the beads. Oh, this is kind of a large. Oh, I don't want to take them out. They're in here so nice. Alright, so these are the floss it comes with. I was hoping for the like braided one because I felt like it'd be easier to maintain without having to cut it. I'm pretty sure you probably have to cut these, but it came with 3 of those. And then I didn't mention that the fabric has 2 needles here, but I have a ton of needles. Okay, not like I sew or anything, but I have them. Okay, 15, 14. Oh my god, that is such a pretty. Oh my god, look at that. Is gorgeous, you guys. Focus. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous color? Okay, so I was looking these up, and apparently, what was it? They're not, I don't want to say plastic, but they're not that other cheap kind of bead like some of the other kits come with. I saw some kids complaining that they don't use the glass beads because they're heavy. I don't think these are glass beads. I can't remember. I looked it up, and it didn't use glass. It used another word. But they could still, I mean, I guess all beads could break, but these are gorgeous beads. So my only thing is that they don't seem to have the same consistency throughout as far as the sheen is concerned. So that is something that I'm kind of weary about for 15, 14, 13, 12. But I don't know. Time will tell how, you know, that's going to turn out. I think they were in order, and I messed them up. Yeah. So 9 is that giant bag of purple. Kind of looks like navy on the canvas. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, oops, 6. These bags, I love these bags. 5, 3. Okay, so that's what those look like. I really like these baggies though. This one seems a little bit flimsier than these, but these are really nice quality bags. I might even just work out of the bags, you guys, honestly, because I don't feel like this is enough to like take out and put in a container. So I'm gonna take some of these out. I know, okay, I think I'll just use, I'm curious to see how it's gonna turn out because, whoops, there goes the package. I don't know if you guys can tell. These beads don't have any shine to them at all. Not a, I mean, you can see the light reflecting off of them, but they have no shine. I'm gonna put these back and then show you, whoa, I almost dropped the camera. Show you the other ones so you can see what I mean about the shine. Let's see, let's do number 15. Yeah, these are really good bags, you guys. Oh yeah, can you see that? You can definitely tell it. I don't know, I can tell the difference. I know my lighting's not that great, but I can definitely tell the difference between these ones and these other blue ones. So number 7, 8, and 3 all have like a weird dull kind of sheen to them. Uh-oh, these are staticky inside the bag. So yeah, there you have it. I'm excited, you guys. Like I said, I do have one more coming in. Who the hell knows when that's going to be here. My goal this weekend is to not only work on this diamond painting, but to finish one of the crochet projects that I have going, because I have 3 crochet blankets going that I just haven't finished. One of them I've been working on for like 3 years, and I just haven't finished it. It takes so long because there's so many color changes. If I have a picture of it, I'll insert it right here so you guys can see. But I mean, it's so gonna be worth it in the end. I know it is, but it's just getting there that's really frustrating me. So one of them, I am dead set on finishing it this weekend. It is a 3-day weekend tonight. I'm probably gonna do a little bit more research on this as far as starting on these canvases in particular, and then, or fabric, whatever, don't come after me. And then I have some homework that I need to finish tonight, just so that I'm not stuck like submitting homework at the last minute, because I don't like to do that, because I have kids and you just never know what's going to happen. Like today is a really good thing that I did some of my homework last night, and I did some of my homework this morning before I got to class, because parking's a bitch to find at the university. So I try to get there like 30-45 minutes early so I can get a parking, and then I'll go find somewhere to sit, and then I'll just do homework. And I got lucky this morning, found a parking right away, had some time, was doing my homework. I'm not even kidding you guys, the second I walked out of my class, the nurse was calling from my daughter's school saying that she had an accident and I needed to go pick her up and take her to the hospital, because she fell during PE, and their track, and I say that to be a smartass, is basically like an asphalt circle or square, and it's a really sucky track, and she fell, and she must have had some momentum, that girl, because she banged herself up like you would not believe, and she was bleeding everywhere, her face. They were concerned that she might have broken her teeth. It was bad. So I did take her to urgent care because they wanted to make sure that she did not have a concussion. She is fine. She's really banged up. She has no concussion, but because of the extent of her cuts on her face, they did put her on an antibiotic because they were pretty bad, and since she fell at school, they were concerned that she might get an infection that could be worse than it needed to be, you know, especially since it's on her pretty little face. So yeah, it's been crazy today. So at least I'm current on my homework and everybody's fine. Crisis averted. So there you have it, guys. There it is. Dun dun dun. Like I said, I'm probably gonna do oh, I gotta do another. I was trying to think, lost my train of thought there. I'm probably going to do some other stuff first, and then I will come back. I'm gonna do some research on this. I do want to record another video today. Oh, and I even got me this tomato pin cushion. If you guys have been sewing or doing anything with needles, this is like the old school pin. Sorry, I had an interruption. Yeah, this is like, I don't know if Walmart has like ever sold another one of these, but it's basically like a little tomato, and my daughter says that this is a chili, which I thought was funny. But yeah, so I even got myself a little one of those because I don't have any needle minders. I can't seem to find any. I don't know. Every time I try to Google something, I never get what I'm trying to Google. Yeah. Okay. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as soon as I figure out how to start this and I finish my one crochet project this weekend, I will do a bead and stitch, or whip and beading, I don't know. I'll figure it out. You guys will know by the time, you know, you even see the video. So yeah, all right, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed.